Now, for you Year 9s, this is where the fun begins. You're either at the end of Key Stage 3, or a few of you may have started a couple of your GCSEs, and now's the time where you need to start to work harder and get ready for your actual exams. This is the time when you need to get familiar with different revision techniques, such as flashcards, mind maps, revising with friends, reading books, Quizlets, or even watching lovely jubbly videos such as these. Find out what works for you and stick to it for the next 2 or 3 years. It's also now important to start to set aside time for you to work and build upon habits. This means set aside like an hour a day or so for work and homework, maybe 2 hours, depending on what school you go to. And if you finish your work in that time, don't relax. If you finish your work in your set working time and you have free time, carry on working, carry on revising in that time, and then have separate time which you set aside for your relaxing. Not only will this allow you to focus more on revision, but it's really good for your mental health to have set time to relax and set time to work, sort of separating the two things, and meaning that you don't constantly have school and work on the back of your mind when you're trying to relax. And also, I know I mentioned this earlier in the video, but if you do not understand something, ask your teachers for help. It only gets more difficult from here on out. You don't want to be left behind, and you're not going to be the only one who's not understanding things. Your classmates will absolutely love you if they don't understand something and you ask a question about it. And this last tip is for those who are starting their GCSEs in Year 9, or at least starting a couple of them. Keep your notes in order. Your Key Stage 3 notes may not be important to you right now, but your GCSE notes will be. If you're in Year 9 taking notes, they need to make sense for Year 11 you. You don't want to have to learn new content again. You want to have to revise it. It's a lot easier to revise things that you have a basic understanding of and have good notes on than it is to learn from scratch. Trust me, I did not take notes in Year 9. Anyways, a lot of effort goes into these videos, and only a small proportion of those who watch are actually subscribed. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time for more helpful tips. Thank you.